Hey everyone, welcome to Lucky Tech Life, where we equip people how to use and learn their device in everyday life. And in this video here, since it is July, and July, a lot of people are losing their phones, forgetting their things, and it's so important nowadays that you have your stuff with you at all times. You don't even know how many times I have helped my family members, my friends, look for their phones and they have no idea where to find it. But have no doubt, well, you may have a little bit, but have no fear that you can find your device if you know your account logins. What you see in front of me here is Find My Device from Google. It used to be called Find My Android, but they changed their name. But before we get into it, if you haven't already, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button as well. And if you want to share this to your friends or family members, hit that share button so they are not missing out on any new videos that are here on this channel. So let's jump right into it. If you are trying to find your Android device, make sure that you know your logins, because we're going to, on Google, if you type in Find My Device, it will be the first find right here. And that's where you want to go. So when you are in your Google sign-in page, make sure to sign in with your email and password. So go ahead and do that now. Okay, so now once you have logged in to your Google account, you can actually see on the left hand side here your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, or my phone here. It'll tell you it has signal, and it'll tell you how much battery life you have left. And on the map right here, I have my location turned on, so I can see where I'm at, the street that I'm on, and a really good depiction or place on the phone that might on the phone where it might be. And what's really cool is if you want to play a sound for the device, you can ring the phone for 5 minutes, even if you put the phone on silent. And then you can secure your device, you can lock it, lock the account, and you can display a message on your phone screen. And then let's say if your phone is nowhere to be found, but you have some really important information on there, just hit erase your device right here. And that way it locks the phone, it will erase, and there's nobody else that can get into your information. Another thing that I want to tell you too, when you are locating your device, is sometimes there is people that have like the protection program on the phone, and you can always go to this little eye icon right here for information. And it will tell you your IMEI, when it was first registered, when it was last seen, which is very unique, but helpful. And that's it. When you find your device, come and thank me later. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell button so you're not missing out on any new videos that come out on the channel every single week. And here's something new. If you have not already, I put down some links to some of the equipment below. So if you haven't checked it out already, please make sure to do that. Support the channel. And if you have any other questions, please leave a comment down below and share that button to your friends and family members. But until next time, I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.